Tired of boring routines? From daily hacks to futuristic fun, game-changing wearables, and smart home upgrades, these genius finds upgrade everyday life. Subscribe so you don't miss out, and let's jump into the cool stuff. The future of food preservation is here. Fresh food and no more bad odors in your refrigerator. Meet Shelfy Lite, the compact and powerful fridge purifier that extends the freshness of fruits and vegetable, eliminates odors, and reduces bacteria. With a sleek and compact design, it's your best ally in reducing food waste and saving money. Shelfy Lite is designed to make your fridge work smarter, keeping your food fresher for longer and reducing unnecessary waste. Tired of waiting for a practice partner? Meet the Acemate tennis robot, your personal, tireless coach that never misses a shot. With 36 programmable drills, customizable speed, spin, and oscillation, it mimics real opponents so you can train smarter, not harder. Whether you're a beginner or aiming for pro-level precision, Acemate adapts to your skill and pace. It's portable, easy to set up, and controlled right from your phone. No partner? No problem. Your ultimate tennis trainer is always ready. Meet the Titaner T-folding knife. Precision crafted from grade 5 titanium and engineered for total control with its unique T-shaped safety grip. Its locking system redefines blade security, giving you unmatched stability whether you're slicing, cutting, or opening gear. Compact, lightweight, and ultra-durable, it's designed for real-world performance. No compromises. Elevate your EDC with the T-folding knife. Introducing Nocturne, the minimalist sound machine designed to enhance your sleep and focus. Crafted with precision noise masking and rich high-fidelity sound, Nocturne offers a seamless audio experience without the need for phone apps or subscriptions. Its elegant design complements any space, providing a clutter-free solution to your auditory needs. Whether you're aiming to improve your sleep quality or create a distraction-free work environment, Nocturne delivers simplicity and effectiveness in one compact device. Introducing iChessOne brings back the tactile charm of traditional wooden boards, while quietly packing in powerful smart features. Crafted from premium woods like beech and mahogany, it folds up neatly for travel and hides Staunton-style pieces inside. But what really sets it apart is its tech. Magnetic sensors and NFC track every move, while subtle LEDs guide gameplay. Whether you're battling AI or facing off on Lichess or Chess.com, iChessOne blends the best of classic design and modern convenience in one elegant board. Tired of cloudy, fast-melting ice ruining your drinks? Meet LunaArc, the countertop crescent ice maker that brings bar-quality ice to your home. It produces ultra-clear, slow-melting crescent ice that chills your beverage without watering it down. With dual-sided production, you get 16 pieces per cycle in just 12 minutes, perfect for parties or daily sipping. Customize ice thickness, monitor progress with a sleek countdown display, and clean it all with one-touch self-cleaning. Whether it's for cocktails, coffee, or whiskey on the rocks. One treat. 7 health benefits. Introducing TOPTREES, the world's first 7-in-1 functional pet treats made to keep your furry friend healthier and happier. From joint care to digestion, skin, immunity, heart, stress relief, and even oral health, every bite is backed by vet-approved science. Made with natural ingredients and zero fillers, they're tasty, effective, and perfect for daily support. Give your pet more than just a snack. Give them total wellness in every chew. Think small can't be powerful? Think again. The Command Titanium Mini Utility Tool packs serious cutting power into a sleek, pocket-sized design. Crafted from premium titanium, it's ultralight, insanely durable, and perfect for everyday carry. The folding mechanism is smooth and secure, and the quick-change blade system means you're always ready for action. From opening boxes to precision cuts on the go, this is minimalism with muscle. Meet the Alpargali All-Day Adventure Bag. A rugged, water-resistant sling designed for the city, the trail, and everything in between. With 11 smart compartments, it keeps your essentials organized and always within reach. It's built from durable, eco-friendly materials and features anti-theft zippers, magnetic buckles, and a comfortable ergonomic design. Whether you're commuting, traveling, or exploring, this bag's got your back. No space for a full-size dryer? The Mojoco portable clothes dryer is your compact solution for drying clothes in small apartments, dorms, or while traveling. This foldable, energy-efficient dryer uses 900 watts of power to gently dry your clothes without damaging delicate fabrics. With its spacious interior, it can hold up to 10 items at once and includes a timer with multiple settings. Assembly is quick, and when you're done, it folds down for easy storage. Say goodbye to hanging laundry everywhere. Mojoco makes drying clothes fast, convenient, and space-saving. Transform your living room into a motion-powered playground with Nex Playground, a video game console designed to get the whole family moving. With 5 games included, Fruit Ninja, Starry, Whack-A-Mole, Go Keeper, and Party Foul, you can jump right into the action using just your body. No controllers needed. The built-in wide-angle camera uses AI to track natural movements, letting up to 4 players play together. Want more? Unlock a huge library of kid-friendly titles like Barbie, TMNT, and Peppa Pig with a Play Pass. Easy to set up via HDMI, safe for all ages, and totally portable. Playground makes every day a fun, active adventure. Laser technology is revolutionizing the way we work, create, and build. From ultra-precise cutting and engraving to fast, accurate distance measuring and leveling, laser tools are becoming essential in both professional and DIY toolkits. These compact, high-powered devices offer unmatched precision and efficiency, making tasks faster, cleaner, and safer. Whether you're crafting detailed designs, tackling home improvement projects, or working in construction, laser tech delivers next-level performance. It's not just about power. It's about smart, reliable innovation that puts control in your hands. The future of precision starts here.